So many people around the world right now are trying to figure out how are we going to adapt to the changes that are coming with our climate.
The opportunity is tremendous, the problem is big, the scale is big. It's our Earth system. So there's no one organization or person that has it all figured out. So you have to be near each other and be next to each other to communicate and brainstorm ideas, share knowledge.
Local Asheville leadership saw the opportunity to build a unique economic engine with a powerful collision of key assets. We are an open, receptive community with a creative and entrepreneurial spirit. We have the global climate data resources and the intellectual capital of NOAA's National Climatic Data Center. And we have an inspired and supportive landlord. The Collider will stimulate jobs locally and serve climate adaptation globally. Within our 20,000 square foot office and workshop center, the Collider and Callan Center together are an innovation ecosystem, providing the strategic collisions at the very heart of business development and adaptation solutions.
As I look to the future, I'd like to see Asheville as that place that innovators in climate science think of they need to be to connect, to develop, to launch a new product, to find new ways of utilizing this rich data resource in the National Climatic Data Center for the benefit of strengthening not only the economy of Asheville, but what's truly going to be impacting the economy nationwide and globally for the next decade or more.
Nobel Prize-winning climate scientists and experts, data and technology wizards, consultants, visualization and GIS specialists, artists, and social and creative entrepreneurs, colliding to provide the data-to-decision tools, services, and solutions that businesses and communities are seeking. The Collider is more than just a space. We're the neural connector, the network that supports the climate data service industry so vital to our future.